How to buy Goofy token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on about this token, check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token, and don't forget to check their Telegram channel too. So as you can see, this token is available in the screener. It created 15 hours ago and increased by 900% in the last 24 hours. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address and open your funds wallet for that. After that, click here on swap and make sure that you have enough salary in white. Now click here and paste token into the search bar. As you can see, this also now click on it, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. After that, click on pricing. Now click on provider, select to Jupiter, click on apply. Now go back and you will be able to find here swap, click on it, and after that you will be able to redirect you to Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy a Goofy token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.